all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on.
Please swallow your pride. If I have things you need to borrow, for no one can feel those of your needs that you won't let show. So just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend, and I'll help you carry on. Totoo ba ang pinagama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas masaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Malapit na ang
To Jaya, Stacy, Angie, and Blessing. Endings are always very sad. It's never easy to say goodbye. I wish you all the best for the future. My words can't express the gratitude I have for the work that you've done, for the contributions you've made to our school. The work that TAs do are invaluable, and it doesn't go by unnoticed. I wish you all the best for the future. Thank you for the time we've had together. Thank you for everything you've done for the children, the way you've supported the school. You really have made the school a better place. And I wish you all the best for the future. Love you guys. Be safe. And inshallah, I'll see you around soon.
Miss Blessing, Miss Angie, thank you so much for all of your help and support this year. You're going to be really missed by all of the staff and all of the children, and we wish you the best of luck in your future endeavours.
Hi, Miss Blessing. Thank you so much for all your help and support this year. We really appreciate it.
Good luck with your new school, and I wish you all the best.
We will miss you. Thank you for everything.
Hello everyone, I hope when you are watching this video everyone is good. I'm making this video for our beautiful friends Miss Blessing, Miss Angie, Miss Jaya and Mr. Stacy. Actually I'm very upset to say you everyone goodbye, because we are working long time together and we have lots of memories, lots of fun together. Especially Miss Blessing, I'm working with you long time. You are a very good person, you are amazing, you are the best. And also Miss Angie and Miss Jaya, you are also very best, very good. And Mr. Stacy, I will miss you, man. Every day we are playing together, badminton, table tennis, we have conversation, some naughty conversation. I will miss you, man, seriously. And I wish you all the best for everyone for your next chapter, and also happy Eid Mubarak everyone. Thank you.
To Blessing and Angie, congratulations on your new gig. Wishing you all the best for your new journey. Jesus said, With man, this is impossible, but with God, all things are possible. To Chaya and Stacy, you're being a rock star to this team. Keep being awesome. I can do all things through Christ who give us strength. Trust in the Lord. See you soon. God bless us all. We love you all.
Hello, G! Unblessed! Talaga ha? Hindi na talaga kayo papigil. Lilipat na talaga kayo. So, ang masasabi ko lang, ingat kayo palagi at mahal na mahal ko kayo. At sana hindi nyo rin kami makakalimutan. At salamat sa mga banding natin. Sa ilang years din na nagkakasama tayo. Thank you. At saka kay Jaya naman at saka kay Stacy, makakahanap din kayo ng masigit pa sa dyan sa Newton. At lagi lang kayong mag-pray at pagpa-pray namin kayo na sana maganda rin ang mapapasukan ninyo. Ingat kayo palagi and mahal na mahal ko kayo. So, God bless. Thank you. Bye.
This is it. Ito na yung talagang hinihintay na ayaw nating dumating. Hinihintay, ayaw dumating. Hindi. Kidding aside, talagang mamimiss namin kayo. Iba talaga yung grupo natin. May mga tampuhan kung minsan, may mga nasasabi sa bawat isa, pero we are in one talaga pagdating sa mga gawain. At talagang nagkaroon tayo ng bonding nung mga nakaraang araw, lalong higit doon sa paggawa natin ng stage. At mamimiss namin kayo sobra. Lalo na ikaw, Bless, para kay Bless, talagang I miss you. At alam ko naman na hindi ito yung nagkataon. But God plan para sa'yo. At alam ko naman na ito ay binigay ng Lord para sa'yo. Alam ko na hinihiling mo ito. But God give you a good school. Talagang happy ka doon dahil magiging teacher mo, yung naging teacher mo dati. At wala nang atrasan, nandyan na. At ibinigay ng Lord para sa'yo. You deserve bless sa mga bagay na ito. At alam ko naman na hindi man tayo magkita-kita araw-araw. But we are keep in touch. Nandyan ang message, isang message lang. Nandyan na. At maging sa'yo, Jaya, hindi man tayo nagkasama ng matagal. Naging bahagi ka ng isang grupo. Naging bahagi ka sa amin at alam namin na talagang mamimiss ka namin bawat araw. At lalo na si Muhammad, mamimiss ka niya. At I love you. At alam ko naman na may plano si Lord para sa'yo. Basta delight yourself to the Lord and He will give the desires of your heart. Wala ka pa namang school na pupuntahan, pero may inilaan si Lord para sa iyo nang higit pa sa iyong inaakala. Para sa iyo, Stacy, ganun din ang message ko sa iyo. At mayroong inihanda si Lord para sa iyo. Hindi ka man sa Newton Daphna, sa ibang school nandun, ibibigay yun ni Lord para sa iyo. And you claim it, the blessings of the Lord na ibibigay sa iyo. At alam ko na magiging happy ka din sa magiging school mo. And for you, Angie, miss ko yung mga Inglesera naming katrabaho. At alam ko na this is my spot. I miss that message. I miss that tagline. Basta yan na. At saka yung mabuhay ka ng matagal. At sa'yo yon, sa'yo at sa'yo lang. At alam ko naman na happy ka sa school mo na pupuntahan. And nangangarap din kami na makapunta sa mga school na pupuntahan ninyo. But this is not the time. Alam ko naman na ibibigay ng Lord sa amin yon kung ito ay hihilingin namin. At if God's will, ibibigay niya yon para sa atin. At alam ko naman, Angie, na happy ka. And I declare na bago pa matapos ang bakasyon, lalabas na yung visa and everything para wala ka nang iisipin pa. Kung gusto mong makapagbakasyon, maski na 2 linggo or 3 linggo, the Lord will give you if kung will talaga ito ng Lord. At alam ko naman na you will enjoy kung dito sa Qatar pagka hindi ka man nakauwi. At mamimiss talaga kita. Mamimiss ko yung pag nakikita ko ang spot mo, mamimiss ko si Angie doon. And I declare the blessings of the Lord be with you always, guys. And mahal na mahal ko kayo. At mamimiss ko talaga kayo. Lalo na yung sa mga pag-order ng mga pagkain. Alam naman ninyo na hindi ako techie sa pag-order. Kayo lang ang inaasahan ko. Hindi man ito kadalasan, pero pagka nagugutom ako at mag-order, makikisabay lang ako. Pero alam ko naman na
I am forever thankful for the countless cherished memories we've created together sa makiling panahon. Alam ko naman na madadagdagan pa yan. Thank you sa madam na laging nag-o-offer ng tulong at laging bumabati sa lahat. At sa iyo, sir, kahit papano mamimiss ko yung pangasar mo kapag naglalakad papuntang metro. Yung basagan natin ng trip at munting salo-salo kasama kayo. Ingat kayo lagi at gabayan ni Lord sa mga plano niyo sa life. Keep in touch lang. Magkakasama pa rin tayo hindi man sa work, pero sa bonding natin together. Kapag magluluto si Madam Connie, sama-sama ulit tayo. Huwag lang makalimut yung isa kapag nakapasok na siya sa Qatar Energy. God bless both of you. With love, Ate Joanne. Thank you, Madam Angie at Madam Blessing. I take this moment to express my deepest appreciation for having you as my friend. Thankful ako sa mga simpleng memories na nabuo natin at bubuuin pa in the future. Mamimiss namin yung tawanan o kryan, yung magtatanong ng sinong order at higit sa lahat, yung simpleng salo-salo natin sa bito na kasama kayo. Anyway, ingat kayo sa bago niyong journey sa life and always gabayan kayo ni Lord. Alam ko naman na magkikita-kita pa rin tayo, one call away ika nga, and I'm truly blessed to have you in my life. See you around. Lots of love, Joanne. Hi sa inyong apat, Miss Angie, Miss Blessing, Jaya, and Stacy. Okay. So, papalaban tayo sa filter ng TikTok kasi hindi pa tayo naliligo as of the moment. So, yun na. Miss Angie, thank you so much. As far as I can remember, you're my first buddy. Kayo na Ate Maria dyan sa school. And I'm thankful and grateful for the choice, for the pagkain. Yan. Thank you so much dahil lagi niyo akong sinasali ni Ate Maria. Thank you so much doon. I know meron din tayong napagdaanan, pagsubok as a co-worker, as a friend, and I'm glad that we overcome those days. Thank you for that, and thank you din sa mga naging help mo sa akin, sa pagtuturo mo. I've learned so much from you, and ayun, mamimiss ko lahat ng pagiging Englishera mo, pagiging maarte lang naman sa reaction or reaction lang sa mga bagay-bagay, but hopefully wish ko for you is makahanap ka rin ng mga bagong friends sa new workplace mo. May mapagkakatiwalaan ka pa rin dyan, and may makakasama kang kagaya namin. That's my wishes for you, and thank you, good luck until we meet and bond again. And for Miss Blessing, thank you din dahil nung isang araw lang is nakapag-open forum tayo, and I'm glad that I couldn't imagine na magiging open tayo ng ganon, but thank you for everything then, especially yung recent na help mo sa paggawa or sa pag-iisip ng stage decors for the prize giving. Kasi you know naman, that's the skill that I'm lacking, unfortunately, and I hope na ma-develop ko pa siya, ma-practice ko pa siya. But thank you for the ideas that you've shared. And thank you sa help sa part na yan. Like Miss Angie, meron din tayong mga rocky moments, and I'm glad also na we overcome those days, and what matters most is that we're still good and fine and friends after that. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for that. Ayun. Hopefully magkabanding pa rin tayo kahit nasa ibang school na kayo. Ayun. And matuloy pa rin natin yung tawanan natin. Like sa inyo ni Miss Angie, mamimiss namin yung mga pagiging sutil nyo. Ayun. At yung mga reaction nyo na, alam mo yun, yung tagline nyo na wala nang makain, yung mga ganun. And then, ayun, so, good luck then, and hope to see you again. And for the super cheerful and chill Jaya, thank you so much for everything, girl. Thank you for helping me finish all of my work. Yan. Kung anong bagay ko, siyang bilis mo. And thankful din ako dahil pinupunan mo rin, like Miss Blessing. You're giving me ideas, especially when it comes to artwork. Lahat ng mga yan. Like, I don't know. I just hope na makuha ko yung katiting ng brain cells niyo dyan for the artwork part. Yan. Because I'm really bad at it, but hopefully I can enhance and develop it. Thank you sa mga ideas nyo, sa help mo especially, and for balancing my weakness because I'm so slow sometimes or most of the times in working, but you're the faster one, and appreciate you for that. Thank you so much for Stacy, yan, thank you dahil ayun, naging part ka ng year 4. We're thankful also that we have you. I don't know. Sorry lang siguro if my times na nagiging super strict ako sa'yo or nagiging nagger. Maybe it's just me. But, dahil lang, gusto lang natin talaga na maging maayos yung work natin sa dahil syempre yung year level na hinahawakan natin is super busy and super loaded sa work, pinaka-loaded sa lahat ng year levels, but I'm glad that we're able to work together. Sayang lang dahil sa mga certain circumstances, it's so sad that we will not be working again the next year. But hopefully, my wish for you is that maayos na yan kung ano man yung naging problem mo. Hopefully, malalagpasan mo, magiging maayos din. Makakahanap ka rin ng mas magandang work, and hopefully, makakahanap ka din ng workmates and friends like us, and hopefully, magka-bonding pa rin tayo. Same ng naging bondings natin. For the 4 of you, bonding ulit tayo when time permits to. So, yan. Thank you so much and hope to see you again, guys.